Hello everyone. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can dual boot multiple iOS versions on a same device using Coolbooter. So you can dual boot any iOS versions that are no longer signed, but this only works on selected iOS devices, such as iPhone 5, 4S, iPhone 4, and iPad devices. The list is given later. So just follow this step to download, and no computer is required for this process. So you don't need a computer, but you need to be jailbroken. So if you're not already jailbroken, just search on the internet on how to jailbreak and then proceed. This is a very simple step. So before we start installing Coolbooter and dual booting your iPhone, you need to change some setting first. So inside setting, go to general, then go to auto lock. This depends on your iOS version. So I'm on iOS 7. So this settings is here in iOS 7. Just change your auto lock frequency to never on whatever device you are. Then go to CDR. You will see CDR after your device is jailbroken. So you need to jailbreak your iPhone first to continue this process. So launch CDR. So now you can see CDR is loaded. So just scroll down to the bottom, and here you can see mine is iPhone 3, 2 on iOS 7.1.2, that is iPhone 4 8 GB. So because this is an iOS 7.1.2, that is the last version which is given by Apple for this device, so it is updated to the max. So now click on edit and click on add. So now add this repo coolbooter.com. So just add coolbooter.com, then you will find this repo coolbooter repo. Click on that repo, then click on all packages. Now click on coolbooter. So now just click on modify, click on install, and now click on continue queuing because we need to install one more app. Now go to search for this file, iFile. The name is iFile. Now again wait for the install to appear. Now click on install. Now just click on confirm. Now you can see this will start downloading. I've sped this up because it will take some time depending on the internet connection. So once this is downloaded and installed, a icon will appear on your home screen, Coolbooter icon. Just wait for it to complete. Now click on return to CDR. Now click on home. Now you can see there's an icon, Coolbooter. Just launch Coolbooter. Once you launch Coolbooter, there will be two options, install and boot. So just click on install. Now we have to select the firmware you want to install to. So you can go all the way back to whatever OS is supported on your phone. So this is an iPhone 4 8 GB, so the maximum is 6.0. So I will choose 6.1.3. Now click on storage. Now select the second partition drive. This also depends on your storage. So just click on select, and now just click on I am ready. So what this will do is this will start downloading the latest version. So you will see custom boot logo. If you want to choose a custom, choose custom. If you click on no, verbose boot. If you turn verbose boot on, instead of Apple logo, all the booting script will come on your screen. So if you want to jailbreak or not. So if you want to jailbreak, select now because you can't change later. If you want to jailbreak later, you need to reinstall the OS again. So if you want to jailbreak, jailbreak. Otherwise, we just click on install, and now you can see it will start downloading the firmware file from Apple. So what this will do is will download the file, and will extract it and install it. Don't need to do anything. Just connect to the internet and leave at this stage. You will see something as storage almost full. Don't worry, just click on done. This is because your device is being partitioned and all the data is being managed, so this will come. Don't worry, just click on done. Now after the installation is complete, you will see something as reboot. Just click on reboot. Now your phone will restart. So now once your device is rebooted, just launch the Coolbooter app. So now you will see two options. So now this time you have to click on boot. So just click on boot and now lock your device. Now this will boot you into the other OS you just installed. it didn't boot in my case because I jailbreaked it using an app Pangu iOS 7.1.2, and there's an issue with that. So I need to install a package from CDI repo for that to work. So just click on cancel and go back to home. If you're on iPhone 4, you need to do this. On your phone, if you are normally booting, you don't need to install this package. So just go to Safari and you need to go to this website. I will give the link in the description below. So just visit this website on your phone, or you can download on your computer and copy via USB also. But this is small file, so just download it. So now we'll see an option open in iFile. So just click on that. So that's why we installed iFile, because we needed to install this package. So just click on installer. So now this will install the package, will run a script. So now the package is installed. So just restart your device again. We are again back into iOS 7. So just launch the Coolbooter. So launch Coolbooter. So again, just click on the boot option. So we are inside Coolbooter, click on boot. Now lock your device. So after 5 to 10 seconds, you can see the old Apple logo. So it means we are booting back into iOS 6. So I'm getting this script on this page screen instead of Apple logo because I chose the verbose boot. So if you choose verbose boot, this will appear like a code script will come instead of the Apple logo. So don't worry, this is nothing. If you chose verbose script, this will come. So now again the Apple logo. So now we are about to boot into iOS 6. So now you can see the old classic slide to unlock. So just click on slide. Now you need to activate your phone. So select your language and region. Now click on next. So at this stage, you need to connect to a Wi-Fi network. So just enter your password, connect to a Wi-Fi network. So it will start activating your phone. So insert a SIM card while activating. If you don't insert a SIM card, your phone won't activate. So now location service. This all depends on the preference. So now click as setup as new iPhone. Apple ID, I won't log in now. If you want, you can log in. So now you can see we are into iOS 6. So we installed iOS 6 untethered directly from the app that using Coolbooter, no need for a computer. So now you can go inside general, about. So you can see the partition size is 2 GB. This proves that this device is being dual booted into iOS 7. So now if you restart, you will go back into iOS 7 and you need to open the Coolbooter. So boot back into iOS 6 if you want. If you want to choose the second OS you just installed as a default operating system, you can set that. Just go to CDI. So inside CDI, you need to add that source again. So click on source. So you need to install this repo on the next device. So if you don't jailbreak the other device, you can't do this. But if you have jailbroken, you can do this. So just add the repo coolbooter.com. So then you can see the Coolbooter repo. So just click on Coolbooter repo, then all packages, and you will see a file as Coolbooter untether. So just install this. Because I've already installed, I won't install. So just install this. And the next time you reboot your phone, it will directly boot into the second OS you installed. And if you want to go back to the default OS or the other OS, just keep holding the volume down button while booting. So you can see now it will boot directly into iOS 6 instead of iOS 7. So if your device has whatever OS you want, just dual boot, you can set the second OS as a default one by this method. And if you want to boot into that OS, just keep holding the volume down while you restart your phone.